Hello, my little friends. So, we are back here at our favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, with your maths book and maths buddy. This is Maths Concepts and Skills for Grade 1 by Feathercap. And today, you know what? We are going to do some shopping. Do you want to go? How? What do you need for that? Money, yes. This is the chapter we'll be doing today, chapter 9 of your book, in which we will be learning about money. So, all of you know when you have to go for shopping, you need money. Okay, so let's see what do we have in gear up exercise for you. Look at this picture of toy shop carefully, and different toys are placed here with their price tag. So whenever you go shopping, the tag shows you what price do you have to pay for anything, isn't it? So you see different items here with the price tags. Write the numbers on the price tags. So teddy bear, can you look at it? What is the price given for teddy bear? Look into your books, please. My picture shows it is 95 rupees. What about the next? It is football. What does your book tell? It says 60 on my side. And the toy train, where is it? What is it here? Can you read it out, please? My picture says 60. You look into your books. What does your picture say? The next is bat. How much is it? It says 85 on my side. What does your picture say? Please make sure you read from your books. What about the car? My car is for 100 rupees. And yours? And the doll here is just for 45. So the price of your doll is, you have to write in your book. Okay. So you will read the tag carefully from your book and then write the exact price there. Now, knowing coins and notes. So when you go shopping, you give note, or you would have seen your parents giving notes or coins to the shopkeeper. Sometimes we give a bigger note and then we get the change back, in which we get some notes and coins, right? So let us know about Indian currency. In India, we have rupees and paise, and there are some coins and rupees notes that we use. So what are these? These are the coins: 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, and 20 rupees coin. So these are the coins showing different rupees. Here we have the notes. This is 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note. So how do you get to know what is the value of this currency? May it be a coin, may it be a note. You will see the number written on the face of it. 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20. So that shows their denomination. Similarly on notes, when you see here rupees 2, this is rupees 5, rupees 10, 20, this is rupees 50, 100, 200, and the biggest currency in India is rupees 500 note. So these are the different notes and coins which are available, which are used in India. And how do you count money? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So if you have coin of 50 paisa, 50 paisa plus another 50 paisa will give you 100 paisa, which means 1 rupee. So it is the same as 1 rupee. So if you have to give 1 rupee to somebody, you can also give it in the form of 2 coins of 50 paisa if you have. Okay. Now 7 coins of 2. So what do you get? 2 rupees, another 2 rupees, another 2 rupees. So what we are doing, this is skip counting. So if you have 7 coins of rupees 2, that means you have in all rupees 40. If you have 3 notes of rupees 20, so it means 20 plus 20 plus 20. So what do you have? You have rupees 60 in all, right? So when you have to start counting, if there are notes of different denominations, different values are given. So always start adding from the biggest note. Remember, that makes your counting easier. Now sometimes the coins or notes are different in value, then you will have to follow this process. Now here what you see, a coin of 10 rupees, then 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees. So we'll start adding 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22 plus 2, 24 plus 1, 25. So here you have in all coins which worth rupees 25. So this is how, when we have the coins or notes of different values, we just add them in this order starting from the biggest value. Now here, identify and match the currency to its name. So this is a coin of 5 rupees. So it is here. This is a note of 100 rupees. It is right here. A note of 50 rupees is right here, and a coin of 10 rupees is right here. So this is how you identify them. Now write the total value. So amount is given, money is given here, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. This is equal to how much? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 rupees. So this is equal to rupees 3. This is the symbol we use for writing, denoting rupee. 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is rupees 6. Now here you have 20 and here you have 5. Perfect. This is rupees 25. Now you have to choose the right combination of notes and coins. If you have to buy this chocolate, what do you need? The tag shows rupees 25. So how will you get 25 rupees? 20 rupees and 5 rupees, that makes 25. If you have to give 32 rupees, so 10 and 20 makes 30 and another 2 will make 32. So find out which notes will you pay to get this water bottle for 60 rupees. Now here's fun time. Make your own currency notes and coins of paper slips and play a shopping game in the classroom. So you can have fun doing this activity. Make your own notes and currencies and do shopping. Moving ahead, we have, where will you hit to score rupees 100 on this rupee dartboard if you can use it? Only one dart if you have to use. So you will point it here exactly at rupees 100. And if you can use only 2 darts, then what will you do? What is the possibility, children? This is 20 and 80. So we can use these 2 darts. Okay. So 80 plus 20 will also give you 100. Now, chapter at a glance. Time to just recap what we have learned. Money is used to buy things. This you all know. Notes and coins, they make money. Money is counted in rupee and paise in India. And then money is also called currency. And one thing more we have learned, 1 rupee is equal to how many paise? 100 paise. Yes, that is going to help you ahead, children. So remember that. Now for my little Olympiad champions, how much amount is shown below? Do you remember these are notes of different values? So we will start from biggest, 100 plus 50, 150 plus 5, 155, and you got it right. If Rahul has rupees 20, then he cannot buy what? Can he buy something of 25 rupees? No, it's not possible. Can he buy for 12? Yes. Can he buy for 15? Yes. Can he buy for 10? Definitely. So only this puppy he cannot buy because it is worth more than 20 rupees. Now miscellaneous exercise for you. Tick the correct option. Which of these can Neha buy with 20 rupees? Yes, the football. Which of these can Raju buy with 20 and 5? Means 25. So the toy car. Perfect. Which of these can Divya buy with 10, 10 and 10? Means how much money she has? She has 30 rupees. So she can buy the toy aeroplane. Now subjective type questions for you. How much will two notes of rupees 20 make? 20, another 20. So what is the total value? 40 rupees. Perfect. So write rupees like this. This is equal to rupees 40. 5 coins of rupees 10 will be more, or 10 coins of rupees 5 will be more. So let's see, if you have 5 coins of rupees 10, we have learned repeated addition. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, what will you do? 10 times 5, what is it? It is equal to rupees 50. And here you have 10 coins of rupees 5. That means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times? 10 times. Now again 10 times 5 is how much? That is also rupees 50. So will any be more? No, they will be equal. So we will write both are equal. Okay, let's come to next. Find the number of coins or notes required of each of the following to make 20 rupees. So if you have 1 rupees, you want 20 rupees. So how many do you need? 20. If you have 5 rupees, you want to make 20. How many will you need? 5. plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. So how many times have you done? 4 times. Yes. And if you have learned tables, you can think 5, how many times is 20? So I get 5 fours are 20. That means I need 4 notes of 5 rupees to make 20 rupees. Now 2. Now count with my method. 2, how many times is 20? 2 10 times is 20. So I need 10 notes. And 10, how many times is 20? 10 2 times is 20. So I need just 2 notes. Easy. Interesting also. This is how you will be paying when you go to shop your own things from the market. Sajja has rupees 50. She needs to buy 3 pencil sets. Circle the pencil sets that she can buy with rupees 50. So she has just 50 rupees. So what all she can buy? She plans to donate these pencils to an orphanage. So let's see which packets can she buy. She can buy this pencil. She can buy this also. They are the same, right? So she can buy 2 packets of these pencils and 1 packet of 10 rupees. Otherwise, she can also buy, she has got 50 rupees. So she can buy 5 packets of this pencil, right? So choice is hers. If she wants more of the pencil, she'll be buying the cheaper ones. Now let's think. Divide the student in groups of 4. Arrange the wrappers of different items on the teacher's table. Give equal amount of fake money to each group and decide together which items to buy, and use various notes and coins to buy the items from the teacher. So we'll be having fun doing this shopping activity at the teacher's table in the class. Can you see all of you have some fake currency notes there on the table? So we have lots of things here. So come and buy one by one the things of your choice with whatever money you have with you. Now, here's Maths Lab activity which you will be performing with your teacher and with your friends, and have lots of fun doing this learning game with the fake money here. And then you'll be getting perfect at shopping from the market with the real currency also. Don't worry, children. We'll be coming up with more interesting sessions for you ahead. Till then, happy learning.